Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's clean baseboards.
There are so many ways to clean baseboards, but I love the ones that not only clean them well, but also keep dust away. Nobody wants to clean often their baseboards, so to avoid that, there are methods to clean in order to keep them dust-free. Use a dry dryer sheet to dust them. The silicone coating on the dryer sheet will pick up dust and help reduce static, so it will keep dust away for longer than when you use a mop or a cloth. They are good at picking up pet hair too. Wipe a dryer sheet along the baseboards to remove stubborn dust and pet hair. It repels dust later. If you use a perfumed one, it will also freshen up your room. You can see here how easily it picked up everything from the baseboards. You will be amazed by the period of time that will pass before you will have again dust on your baseboards. This will cut your time of cleaning. On my channel, I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening and laundry hacks. I also did a lot of videos regarding folding different items. I hope you will stick around. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. The second method I want to show you is using a microfiber cloth and fabric softener. Put a little bit of your favorite fabric softener on a microfiber cloth and wipe your baseboards. You will be amazed by the result. This will stop them from getting dirty so quickly. Not only will prevent the buildup of dust, but will also keep your home smelling amazing. Fabric softener is an amazing dust repellent. Clean less by using this trick. You can see here how clean and shiny they are now. I will tell you the truth, I apply this trick even on my front door, and it keeps it nice and clean for longer. And my guests are always wondering how I keep my home smelling so good, what kind of expensive home perfume I use. Then I tell them I just clean my front door with fabric softener. Amazing trick! Look at these shiny baseboards, so satisfying, and I wish you could smell my room right now. This Lenore Fresh Dewy Blossom smells amazing, just like a luxurious perfume. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!